Mastering email writing. Improve your subject lines through feedback. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of email writing: refining your subject lines through feedback. In our previous sessions, we've learned the importance of an effective subject line in grabbing your reader's attention and setting the tone for your email. Today, we're going to take this a step further. We'll learn how to gather feedback and improve your subject lines based on that feedback. When it comes to improving your email writing, feedback plays a significant role. It can provide insight into what works and what doesn't. By gathering and analyzing feedback, you can hone your skills and enhance your email writing, specifically your subject lines. Now, let's discuss how you can gather feedback. Here are a few methods you could consider. 1. Direct feedback. Ask your recipients directly about your subject lines. Did it grab their attention? Was it clear and concise? Remember, it's crucial to seek honest opinions. 2. Peer review. Ask a fellow learner or a friend to review your subject lines. A fresh pair of eyes can often see what you might have missed. 3. Self-evaluation. Review your own subject lines critically. Compare them with the examples of good subject lines you've studied or received. After gathering feedback, the next step is to use it to improve your subject lines. Here's how you can do this. 1. Identify common themes. Look for commonalities in the feedback. Are there particular aspects that multiple people have pointed out? 2. Make adjustments. Based on the common themes, adjust your subject lines accordingly. If people find your subject lines vague, for example, work on making them more specific. 3. Practice and apply. Practice makes perfect. Consistently apply what you've learned from the feedback to your email writing. A vital part of improvement is testing. After making adjustments, test your new subject lines. Send emails with the improved subject lines and gather feedback again. This iterative process helps you continuously improve and adapt your writing skills. So, there we have it. The process of gathering feedback and using it to refine your subject lines is a vital aspect of mastering email writing. Remember, writing is a journey, and each step you take in gathering and applying feedback brings you one step closer to becoming a more effective communicator. We hope this video has been helpful in shedding light on how to use feedback to improve your email subject lines. Stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your email writing skills. Happy learning!